Hey, we're going to be doing another experiment here. We've got peat, we've got sand, and we've got a mix in between, 10-to-1 mix, 90-to-1 mix. We're going to be testing the water retention of the different mixes to see how much water they can hold before they become saturated. I'll put the peat on 10-to-1, now the 90-to-1, and the sand. Now we're just going to tip them in. So we've got the peat here to go in. 10-to-1 mix, 90-to-1 mix. Put that in a different one. Sand in here. Now we'll start off with the sand. We're going to see how much water it takes to become saturated. We'll start with 50 mils. So we'll go another 50. Still some dry sand there, so we can try another 50. Still some dry sand there. We'll go another 25. It's done and dusted. Can't handle any more water. Now we move on to the 90-to-1 mix. So we might as well just move straight to 100. Easily holds it. Another 50. You can see it soaking up through. Sand can't absorb it as well. Of course, sand is... We're not going to go into the chemistry too much, but basically the peat here is made up of carbonate mostly. So it's a carbonate compound, which has... A compound is more than two elements. So it's got carbon and it's got oxygen, and of course the sand is made up of silicon dioxide compound. We're mostly interested in the bonding here of the water, how it's bonding to the carbonate, the water, how it's bonding to the silica dioxide, and it has a bit more trouble there. We're up to 200 now. We've got the 10-to-1 mix now. We'll go with 150 mils. It's no problem, it swallowed it up. Another 50. It ate it. 250. Raised on 250, we're going to go to 300. Somewhere between 250 and 300. You can see it's saturated. The peat, any guesses how much it's going to hold? We'll go straight into 250. It's gobbled it up. Another 250. Going up to 600. You can see it's definitely saturated now. The water inside the hole there. And there we have it. So it's not too important the exact amount, but the purpose is we can see that peat can hold a lot more water, and it's definitely a good idea to put some peat in with the substrate for hermit crabs so that it retains the water and doesn't dry out too much, which when it does dry out makes it hard for them to burrow. If the substrate dries out, they dry out as well, which is not good for them. See you later.